The partners here now formally became partners in Arcus Restoration in October of 2012. And one of the first decisions we made in that role was Dash. We had a desire to grow professionally and to grow our market share and to grow our reach. And we simply couldn't do that using the antiquated business systems we were at that time. For the first few months that I was here, prior to making the investment in time and resources to move to Dash, it was a whiteboards and paper file office. They were looking for a way to scale that. They had as much work as they could handle, and any more would strain that whole system. They had to revolutionize their information systems or shrink. There is a size at which you can maintain whiteboards and paper files and do fine. There's probably a size at which you could keep all of that in your head, right? But in any scale, those things become huge barriers. The company was at that inflection point where if they wanted to continue to grow, and they did, they had to have a technology revolution. The overview is year over year, we've grown about 25 to 28% over that entire period. From an employee standpoint, we've gone from, I would say, 10-ish employees to about 70-ish today. We've grown from 1 location to 5 locations. We've increased our service radius from the area immediately around Murfreesboro to more all of Middle Tennessee, Chattanooga area, Northwest Georgia, and all of Northern Alabama. Our plans are to continue our growth story. We want to continue to add coverage area. We want to continue to provide opportunities to our employees to grow professionally. Part of that growth story has to include technology. We've embraced technology as a company, and that will be the backbone that helps drive us towards our goals.